Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add presentation on Facebook PC. We start by opening our Facebook profile. Next, we will click on the Posts category. Here we will click on Add Bio within the Intro category. After that, we can write our profile presentation text and apply the changes with Save. Finally, when someone enters our Facebook profile, they will be able to see our presentation. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.